Hello students, in the previous video you have studied about the sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance means genes responsible for inheritance of certain traits when present on sex chromosomes X or Y. Then it is called as sex-linked inheritance. Today I am going to explain color blindness. Color blindness is X-linked recessive disorder because genes for color blindness is present on X chromosome. Person suffering from color blindness is unable to differentiate between red and green colors as both these colors appears gray. रेड और ग्रीन कलर डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, दोनों कलर उनको ग्रे दिखते हैं. इट इज़ कॉज ड्यू टू रेसेसिव एक्स लिंक्ड जीन्स एक्स स्मॉल सी विच प्रिवेंट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कलर सेंसिटिव सेल्स इन द रेटिना ऑफ आई. तो अब हमको इसके पीछे का जेनेटिक्स समझना ज़रूरी है कि व्हाट फैक्टर इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. कलर ब्लाइंडनेस के लिए कौन सा फैक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, कौन से जीन्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं, ये जानेंगे. नाउ वी विल सी दी genetics behind color blindness. That is, this color blindness is caused due to recessive X-linked genes, that is X and small c, which prevent formation of color sensitive cells, that is cone cells, in the retina of eye. In our retina we have cone cells. That perceive color vision. Cone cells absorb different wavelengths with the help of pigment called opsin or photoopsin. Cone cells are of three types. In human being, cone cells are of three types, that is S type, M type and L type. S type of cone cells having blue sensitive opsin which absorb blue light. M type of cone cells having green sensitive opsin, and L type of cone cells having red sensitive opsins. These S type of cone cells having genes, encoding genes or blue sensitive opsin encoding genes present on chromosome number 7 of the human being, whereas green sensitive opsin encoding genes and red sensitive opsin encoding genes are present on non-homologous region of X chromosomes. Hence this disorder, which is M type and L type, M type and L type cone cells are responsible for this genetic disorder, that is color blindness. Hence it is also called as red green color blindness. So this is the genetics behind color blindness. That is, then we will see the symbolic representation. Here this small c and capital C are the alleles or genes for color blindness, or capital C gene for normal allele for opsin pigment, and small c for defective allele for opsin pigment. Then we will see in males and females what combinations of genes responsible for normal as well as color blind in persons. In males are heterozygotic, that is having having X and Y chromosome, because males are having one X and one Y chromosome, hence called as heterozygotic. If X, capital C and Y, then that individual is normal male. And when that individual is having X chromosome having small c allele and Y, then it is colorblind male. Then about the females, normal female is having genotype, that is capital X, capital C, X, capital C, because capital C is the normal allele for opsin pigment formation. Then second, when normal but carrier females are having X, capital C, X, small c. Small c is the allele responsible for defective color blindness or defective allele for opsin pigment. So normal but carrier female, because this is a X-linked recessive disorder where it shows expression in female when it found in recessive condition, both homozygous recessive. So here normal but carrier female, X small c, X small c, that is color blind female. So this is about the genetics behind color blindness. Genetics behind color blindness is that it is In our retina, we have cone cells that perceive color vision. Cone cells absorb different wavelengths with the help of pigment called as opsin or photoopsin. Cone cells are of three types, that is S type, M type and L type. S type is present on chromosome number 7, but M type and L type genes, encoding genes, are present on X chromosome, and hence red and green color blindness or color blindness is, as genes for color blindness are present on X chromosome, this is called as X-linked inheritance. Then symbolic representation, that is small c for defective allele and capital C for normal allele. So combinations in male, and these are the combinations in male and female. The inheritance of color blindness can be studied in the following two types of marriages. Marriage between colorblind male with normal female will produce normal visioned male and female offsprings in F1 generation. The sons have normal vision, but daughter will be carrier for the disease. Now we will see the cross. Here cross 1 where parents are colorblind male and normal female. Genotype of colorblind male is X small c Y and normal female X capital C X capital C. Gametes produced by colorblind male is X small c and Y. And normal female X capital C X capital C. Now we will see the F1 generation, that is combination found in F1 generation. This male gamete when fused with this female gamete, genotype will be X capital C X small c. When this male gamete fused with this female gamete, X capital C X small c. So these two are carrier daughter because they are heterozygous, one capital C and small c, hence they are carrier. Now daughters are carrier. Then this Y male gamete fused with X female gamete, so X capital C Y. This male gamete fused with this female gamete, X capital C small y. Here X is having capital C represents normal allele, so these sons are normal, these individuals are normal. So in this cross 50% daughters and 50% son, both are normal but daughters are carrier. In the second marriage between carrier female and normal male will produce female offspring with normal vision, but half of them will be carrier for the disease. Half of male offsprings will be normal while remaining half will be colorblind. So in this second cross, carrier daughter and normal male parents. Genotype, carrier daughter is having X capital C X small c. Normal male is having X capital C and Y. So gametes produced from carrier daughter X capital C X small c. Normal male having two gametes X capital C and Y. When for the production of F1 generation, when this female gamete crossed with this male gamete, X capital C X capital C. This male gamete, female gamete with this with this. So second, this female gamete with this male gamete, X capital C Y. This female gamete with this male gamete, X capital C X small c. This female gamete with this male gamete, X capital X small c Y. Here X capital C means normal female, X capital C Y means normal male, X capital C X small c means carrier female, X small c Y means colorblind male. That is 25% normal female, 25% normal male, carrier female 25% and colorblind male 25%. So this process from above example, it is clear that the X-linked recessive gene for color blindness is inherited from colorblind father to his grandson through his daughter. This type of inheritance is called as criss-cross inheritance. Here when we'll see this two cross, here from colorblind male means father to his daughter, and from daughter to his grandson. This inheritance from father to daughter and from daughter to grandson. So this is called as crisscross inheritance. Example of crisscross inheritance. The homozygous recessive females XC and hemizygous recessive male Xcy are unable to distinguish red and green colors. The frequency of colorblind woman is much less than colorblind male, that is 8% male and 0.4% females.